Hey agency owners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate inbound leads for your digital marketing agency using your Facebook profile and without spending a single dollar on ads. I use this very same strategy to take my agency from $0 to $50,000 a month. I'm still doing it today, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. The first thing that you need to do is head over to your Facebook personal profile, and you want to switch out the banner image, the cover photo at the top, and actually turn that into a billboard that says exactly what you do for the niche that you serve. So if you're in the dentist niche, then you want to basically have a big banner as your cover photo, like a big billboard that says, "We help dentists get booked out with appointments." If you work with solar or real estate, you want to have a big banner that says, "We specialize in helping real estate owners generate more buyers and sellers with our cutting-edge marketing program." Have a slogan, have a tagline, go to Canva or any other software and create yourself a really nice cover image that literally says what you do. Once you've done that, I want you to head down to the About section of your personal profile, and in there I want you to remove absolutely everything except the website address for your agency and possibly the scheduler link. I mean, I would even go as far as to say just simply have the scheduler link and absolutely nothing else. So that's the next thing. And then what you also want to do as well in that About section, have a little call to action. Find out how we can help you today. Click the link below and have like a little finger pointing down emoji. Click the link below and schedule a call with us today. So when people land on your personal profile, the first thing they see is this kind of big billboard that says what you do. And then when they scroll down, they don't have to like sift through lots and lots of different, what films you like, what schools you went to, what job you were doing 10 years ago. There's none of that. It literally says, as soon as you scroll down, we can help you get more buyers or sellers. We can help you get more appointments for your dental practice. Just click the link below, and then simply in the About section, just have that one link for people to take a next step. Once you've got your personal profile built out like that, the next thing that you're going to do is join some Facebook groups for your chosen niche. Now, some are going to be easier to get into than others, but I guarantee you there will be Facebook groups for the niche that you serve. And I guarantee you, if you persevere, you will actually get access to some of them. Once you're in them, the process is very simple. Every single day, go to the members list inside the group, scroll through and look at the different profiles, go over to that person's individual profile and see if they're a good fit for your agency. If you think that they could be a really good lead, add them as a friend. Add maybe 5 to 10 people a day. Don't add too many people. Otherwise, you might get banned by Facebook for adding too many friends all at once. So add 5 to 10 a day, maybe 5 in the morning, 5 in the evening. And then here's what I want you to do. I want you to post what I call an engagement post. So that's, those posts where it's got like the big text, kind of bold background. Make a post like that, asking a question to your ideal leads that you've added as a friend. Hey dental practice owners, how's your week going? How many appointments do you have this week? Hey solar friends, how many appointments have you got this week? Hey realtors, how many viewings do you have this week? Try and get into the language of your particular industry, of your niche, really try and understand it and effectively basically make it that engagement post. Now here's the thing, people love talking about themselves. People love talking about their business. Business owners typically have massive egos. So when you ask a question, you're going to get a lot of comments on it. And when you get a lot of comments on it, Facebook tags you as somebody that's making engaging content, someone that's putting out content that people are interested in. And of course, Facebook wants people to be addicted to their website. So they're going to reward people that put out engaging content and punish those that don't. So if you get a lot of comments on an engagement post like that, where you're asking a question of that industry, Facebook's going to tag you and think, okay, this guy's putting out some really engaging content here. Lots of people are commenting on it. So the next post that you post, which is say going to be like a testimonial from one of your other clients. When you post that next post the following day or later the same day, that testimonial post is then going to go to the top of the newsfeed. Make sure in your testimonials post that you have a call to action, like message me now if you want us to do this for you too. And by the way, a testimonials post doesn't have to be a testimonials video. It could be a screenshot that you receive from a happy client saying how awesome they are or how much money they made with your program. It could be something as simple as a text message or a message in Messenger. Take a screenshot of it, put some stickers on it, make it pop, put some text underneath it, a call to action, message me now if you want us to do this for you, and post that. And because you've got a lot of engagement, like I just said, on your engagement post the day before, you've got a lot of comments and likes and shares and stuff like that. Because of that, when you post that testimonials post, that's going to go to the top of everyone's newsfeed and everyone's going to see it. And basically sit back and wait for the messages to come into your inbox on Messenger. And literally, you just need to rinse and repeat that process every single day. In the beginning, when you've added 5 to 10 of your ideal customers, yes, it's going to be a little bit slow, right? But in 10 days, if you do 10 people a day, you're going to have 100 potential leads inside your Facebook personal profile. And then in 3 months of doing this, you're going to have 1,000 potential customers as friends inside your profile. And here's what happens when you add these people and you have that compound effect. Some people that you add will go and check out your profile, as I've just mentioned. They will see the banner at the top. They'll scroll down. They'll see all the results and testimonials. They'll see all the people commenting on your engagement posts, and they're going to think to themselves, oh, wow, this guy is clearly a leader in the marketing space in my industry, and they're going to reach out to you. Some other people, for example, they'll add you as a friend, but they won't go and check out your profile immediately. But maybe they'll see your engagement post, and then they'll reply to that, and then they'll be intrigued and think, oh, who is this guy? So then they will go and check out your profile. And worst case scenario, if they engage with your engagement post but still don't check out your profile, the following day when you put up that testimonial, that's going to be front and center on their newsfeed. So if you haven't caught their attention so far, at the very least, when you put up that testimonials post, you're definitely going to capture their attention then. And literally, don't DM anybody, add these people as friends, put up these engagement posts every day, followed by testimonials posts. If you keep this up over time, people will start messaging you 100%. And by the fact that they've messaged you, they're so much warmer, they're so much more interested, and they're so much more likely to show up to a call, and they're much more likely to close and actually become a client. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us to take your agency to the next level with Agency Overhaul, head down to the description below as well, where you'll find the link to our website and more information. See you on the next video. Cheers.